Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your PlayStation 5 if you no longer have the password and you want to resell it or something like that. So you can launch into the safe mode menu. Simply just go to the front of the PlayStation, hold down the power button, and then wait for it to turn off and hold down the power button again. So let's go to my PlayStation 5. There it is, beautiful. And then let's hold down the power button. So I'm going to hear one beep initially, and then I'm going to hear that second beep. And now it's going to turn off. So we don't want it into rest mode. We want it to completely turn off. And then once it's completely turned off, we want to press and hold the power button again. So you'll hear one beep initially, and then you'll hear that second beep. And then this will launch into the safe mode menu. Now, make sure your controller is plugged in with a USB cable, otherwise it's not going to work in the safe mode menu. So it's got to be plugged in. It can't be wireless. Let's hold down that power button now. Heard one beep, and then I'm going to hear that second beep. And then I can let go. Here it comes. There's that second beep. And then I'm going to have to press the PlayStation button on the controller. It says connect controller using the USB cable. And then press the PlayStation button. So let's get this back up on the TV. And then here we are. Now go ahead and press the PlayStation button on the controller. And then we can go to restart PS5, change video output, repair console, update system software, restore defaults, clear cache. But here is reset PS5. Go to this option right here and select it. It says if you reset your PS5, all user data will be deleted from your PS5. Are you sure you want to continue? So go to yes. So if you want to resell this is what you want to do. It will delete all the different data and information off your PlayStation along with your account. And then you can resell it to, like, I don't know, GameStop or a friend or something like that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.